Chase Ealey is an American track and field athlete specializing in throwing events. She was born on July 20, 1994 in Springfield, Illinois, United States. Ealey tied Michelle Carter's North American record, a national record, in the 2022 World Indoor Championship shot put final, 20.21 meters. In July 2022, Chase Ealey makes history as first American woman to win shot put world title. Chase Ealey's red, white and blue nails along with her matching makeup paired well with this, Team USA's first gold medal at the World Championships. Chase Ealey won shot put final at the 2022 World Championships in Eugene, Oregon thanks to her first attempt of 20.49 meters. She is the first women's shot put world champion to win on her first attempt, according to Olympic sport historian Bill Mellon. Ealey is also the first American to win a world title at these 2022 World Championships, the first time the event has been held on US soil. Ealey is the 2022 Outdoor World Shot Put Champion and the 2019 US Outdoor and Indoor Shot Put Champion. She is the 2018 United States Indoor 4th place finisher in the shot put. Ealey shared how she dealt with mental challenges of competing on the global stage at 2019 World Championship. Ealey conducted clinics for high school and youth athletes in 2019. Ealey's World Championship win marks the end of a roller coaster last year for the 27-year-old from Los Alamos, New Mexico. Ealey's winning throw of 20.49 meters is the third farthest by one American woman, trailing on Michelle Carter's American record 20.63 minutes and Ealey's own personal best.